A few days ago, I expressed a desire to stop cursing on camera in 2018. A lot of people laughed, but I am serious with this intention. I started doing YouTube videos because it would help me flesh out my thoughts. Knowing that hundreds of people could potentially watch something that I created meant that I had to put more work and effort into rounding out my thoughts and making sure that they were sensible and making sure that they were practical from multiple points of view, because multiple people would be watching and able to point out the flaws in any particular thought or argument that I had. So this was a very healthy way for me to think about some of the things that I was thinking about, and it worked. Now, I never thought that there'd be more than 100 or 200 people watching this stuff. So when I first started doing these videos, it was much easier. But as time went on, and there were thousands upon tens of thousands upon hundreds of thousands of viewers, it was very odd the way that I didn't understand how to interact with an audience on that level. I am used to one-on-one conversations, maybe one-on-two or one-on-three conversations. I'm not used to one-on-10,000, one-on-100,000, one-on-300,000 socialization, nor am I in any way, shape, or form a fame-seeking individual or somebody that's used to being publicly recognized. That stuff still is weird to me to this day, and not something that I've gotten even remotely used to. So what I've noticed as I went through my back catalog is that while in the beginning I was making videos where I sounded very much the way I sound in real life, as time went on, I sounded less and less the way I do in real life. And I don't think that this was something that was conscious or intentional. It was just the way that I adapted or reacted to this odd 21st century method of socialization. And I'd like to roll that back so that the personality that I convey on YouTube is more in line with the personality that I have in real life. I'm not a shy person. I'm not someone that's afraid to talk to people or someone that has social anxiety. But I am a very reserved person. I don't make small talk. I don't have conversations unless I think there is a genuine purpose for those conversations. And I am very reserved in my attitude unless there is a very specific reason to up the ante or up the level or to use profanity. And I'm finding that my YouTube character that has been created through these years is anything but that and is very different from my actual real-life personality. So one of the things I'd like to do to make the person that's on camera more in line with the person that I feel I actually am is to cut down the profanity, and that's my goal for 2018. So if you don't hear any more cursing, that's why, and thanks for watching.